we could get in.
Yeah, go ahead. Go. Ok, aquí está uno de los increíbles aviones, helicópteros de rescate de la Coast Guard, de la Guardia Costera. Y se utiliza para misiones de salvamento, cuando los barcos están en problemas, las plataformas petroleras están en problemas, se utiliza este tipo de equipo para poder dar el servicio. So, me encanta. I'm sorry. ¿Sí?
If you want to come up here, I'll monitor.
Ask him first.
Yeah, he actually asked first. So
Okay, let's wait for him.
No.
No. He was first. He was first. Yes. All right. We wait. No problem.
You want to get in the front? So when you pop up front, for everyone.
So, es una de las ventajas increíbles de este país. El piloto nos da permiso de entrar y la regla es nomás no tocar nada, pero podemos tener acceso. Por ejemplo, mis hijos se van a sentar ahorita en los asientos del piloto. Y para mí, que ellos tengan acceso a una temprana edad a este tipo de equipo es muy importante porque algunos de ellos han demostrado interés por participar en la aviación militar o en las fuerzas militares de Estados Unidos. Y si ese es el caso y ellos quieren, pues yo estoy para apoyarlos y para ayudarlos. Pero yo jamás los voy a forzar a que ellos sean pilotos aviadores como yo lo soy. So, aquí va Lando y Devin.
Yeah, hop up in. Just make sure not.
Just don't touch anything, man, please. There you go. You can ask him questions too. There you go. See? It's not a little Cessna, man.
A little different.
There you
On
go.
the helicopter?
No.
So the controls are a little different. So we've got two. This is the cycling. Be careful, there's a helicopter. Yeah. This is the cycling. That's a control, like moving around left, right, forward, and back.
Yeah, they're gonna fight.
Yes, they are going to demonstrate.
Yep.
Awesome. All right, buddy. Let's give time to someone else, please.
Can you grab this?
There you go.
That helps you out. There you go.
Can you please say thank you?
Yeah, no
Thank you,
worries.
sir.
Yeah.
All right, so sí, esa es una de las ventajas. Yeah, let's go this way, guys. Es una de las ventajas de este tipo de aeroshows, que puede uno entrar a los aviones, sentarse, ver, preguntar. Oh, we wait for him. Where is Lando? Is he inside too?
He's in the cargo bay.
Ah, se me quedó el otro niño. Ajá. You have questions, Lando? You asked me something about this before, remember?
Oh, that's
What is that?
That's a hub to carry out.
There you go.
I think the price of it.
So at 2 o'clock today, we're actually gonna take off. We're gonna
Awesome.
deploy the swimmer down and pop some smoke and do some stuff. So yeah, this is how we send our swimmer down and pick people up.
Okay, we're going to see it then.
Going there?
Yeah, sometimes. And sometimes we'll take our swimmer and the swimmer will hook them up in a sling or strap and pull them up with his hand.
The name Donatello, what does that mean? Is the one that from this plane, the captain, or how that works?
The names?
The Donatello.
Oh, actually, I
It's
don't
just
know.
probably it's just
Is that thing to make it float?
So what?
Is it to make it float?
Yeah, so this will float right in the water, and the basket, so the water line's like right here. And that helps the swimmer kind of in the water put the survivor in without having to lift them up to the top of the basket. Look at that.
That's amazing. Thank you so much, sir.
No worries.
Thank you. Cool, man. All right, so vamos a ir a buscar un lugar donde sentarnos. Quiero agarrar un lugar frente a los Blue Angels porque quiero grabar cuando prenden los Blue Angels, cuando empiezan a rodar, obviamente cuando despegan. Y para eso vamos a tener que sentarnos cerca de donde están ellos. Pero déjenme mostrarles algunos de los otros displays que tienen aquí. Este lo veo muy seguido en McAllen, donde entreno yo también. Son estudiantes. el Talon, que lo usa la NASA para rescue, para investigación. Es el que veo muy seguido en la Isla del Padre cuando van a lanzar los rockets de Elon Musk de SpaceX. Yes, mijo. Y este que viene acá lo van a reconocer ustedes ahorita por la película famosa de Tom Cruise. Ahí está el otro con el radar que usa la aduana americana para interceptar barcos o aviones que entran al país. Y aquí van a reconocer el avión de Top Gun. En la nueva película de Tom Cruise que viene este mes que viene. Ajá. Probably in 20 minutes. Let's go find a place to sit. Yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah.
Remember that guy on his Insta?
Oh yeah. That's see how dangerous it is.
Yeah, I know, but the guy got something to survive his helmet.
Yeah. It's kind of, you want to ask questions to the pilots? Entonces el tren de aterrizaje con el cual se amarran para lanzarlo, catapultarlo desde los portaaviones. Esa no es una bomba, mucha gente piensa que es una bomba. No, that's not a bomb, that's a fuel tank.
Oh,
Es
I
un
thought
tanque
the
de
fuel tanks
combustible.
were going to win.
Both, they have both. All right, so estoy equivocado, no, este no es el avión de Tom Cruise. El Tomcat no es, estoy confundido. ¿Se dan cuenta? No tengo mucha experiencia yo con aviones militares porque nunca he tenido oportunidad de sumergirme en ellos. Pero miren qué hermoso se ven los Blue Angels. Y aquí nos vamos a sentar en algún lugar para poder apreciar lo que ellos van a hacer en unos minutos. Alright guys, I would say let's get close to the center of the Blue Angels. Hey, ¿cómo estás, capitán? Qué gusto.
It's getting louder.
It's going to get louder. Ok, el aeroshow está a punto de comenzar, ya están preparando los primeros aviones para despegar. Son las 11 de la mañana, el aeroshow se acaba a las 4 de la tarde, son 5 horas de vuelos. Los Blue Angels van a estar las últimas 2 horas, hoy van a despegar como a las 3, perdón, como a las 2. Y ahorita estos son estudiantes de aquí, de la base militar naval de Kingsville. Y obviamente se están preparando ya para hacer su rutina. So, a ver si no me queman el micrófono como el año pasado. Aquí van a ver, estos son estudiantes, instructores con los estudiantes. Y van a hacer algunas maniobras. Hey, wave guys, wave your hands right there. So, es increíble. El año pasado vinimos, pero veíamos nada más en el aire. No teníamos la oportunidad de verlos en el suelo como ahora. So, es increíble. Y ya está empezando a preparar la gente. Y van a hacer mucho ruido también. Ahorita lo van a oír ustedes. Ya la gente está preparando. Y voy a preparar yo mis cosas también. Quiero darles un... Yes. I'll give it to you in a moment. Bueno, lo más importante para proteger los oídos. Y voy a mostrarles lo que traigo aquí. All right, can you remove the cover? Tenemos una... Sí, yes, mijo. Oh, wait till they take off. Tenemos una hielera con bebidas, una bolsa con snacks para comer. Traigo 3 sillas. Lando, can you help me out to remove it from the cover? Sillas, muy importante, protector solar. Yo traigo manga larga, pero mis hijos traen manga corta. Over here, Lando, deben. So, a través de los años yendo a aeroshows he aprendido a traer todo en un carrito porque es súper práctico versus antes los traía todos a mano y era muy pesado. So, de esta manera tenemos nuestras sillas y cada silla trae su paraguas. Ando, it is the umbrella you wanted? No? Okay. All right.
Wait, Dad, are
So-
they practicing?
Yeah, no, they are going to start the air show. They are the first one on the air show.
Why are they always official?
So, voy a preparar aquí el campamento de Air Aviation y vamos a disfrutar cómodamente de este aeroshow que ya va a empezar. Increíble. Y he venido literalmente a decenas de aeroshows, pero siempre es, especialmente los militares, siempre es como si fuera la primera vez. Ya ves que a mí me toca participar, no volando acrobacias, pero en algunos booths, en algunas áreas, seminarios, conferencias. Pero venir y sentarme y ver y disfrutar con mis hijos es algo increíble. Ahí lo voy a ir mostrando a ustedes. Y aquí viene el primero de los aviones. Juan Albert. Ahorita lo van a ver ustedes, el gordo Alberto, que es el que trae o mueve la tripulación, el crew members de los Blue Angels, de estos aquí, por eso es que es azul. A través de los años he descubierto que prepararse bien para venir a este tipo de eventos es como se disfruta. Prepararse con plugs, porque hace muchísimo ruido. Prepararse con sillas, umbrellas, como si fueras a la playa. La idea es estar cómodo para poder disfrutar. Que en ocasiones hace tanto ruido que es ensordecedor y la gente por estarse tapando los oídos no disfruta el evento. Por eso es muy importante el protegerse. Ya están allá 4 aviones de la naval, son los primeros que van a despegar y van a empezar a hacer su rutina. So les voy a ir mostrando pedacitos de cada uno, porque la verdad es que tengo temor que se me vaya a quemar el micrófono otra vez como el año pasado, pero vale la pena. Si se quema, pues se quemó. Vale la pena mostrar todo esto para ustedes. Y oficialmente arranca el aeroshow. They are students, military students. No, I don't saw the flame on the back. Yeah. Yeah, they're going to move from there. Yeah. That's amazing, huh? Yeah, it's coming through here.
No, but where the jets is coming through here.
Opening ceremonies is circling the sky level. Launching these aircraft at about 5,000 feet out of Fat Albert. Again, we're just moments away from the opening ceremonies and, of course, the swearing-in ceremony. So you got a few more moments. Get yourself a good spot on the show line. We're getting close to the start of day 2.
They're going to jump in a parachute, guys. And then I think the Air Force. Ajá, en Far Albert.
Yeah, you smell it, right?
Yeah, you can smell the fuel.
Ladies and gentlemen, again, we want to welcome all of you to the second day of the 2022 Wings Over South Texas Air Show. At this time, it's my honor and privilege to introduce the captain and the commander of Naval Air Station Kingsville, Captain Erasmo. Captain, thank you for bringing us all out here this weekend. We really are looking forward to a wonderful day. Boy Young.
Ok, mis amigos, lo que va a pasar ahorita es con el avión Far Albert de los Blue Angels van a subir y van a saltar en paracaídas con la bandera americana y otro avión va a ir circulando alrededor de ellos. Hay un poco de nubes bajas, o va a ser un poquito difícil verlo hasta que quiebre abajo de las nubes. Y eso va a ser oficialmente que el aeroshow empiece. Ya lo vi allá a la distancia, voy a empezar a grabarlo. Yeah, it's coming. I think it's one. Yeah, that's going to be the problem. Se va a ver hasta difícil verlo hasta que quiebra abajo las nubes. You see it? Oh, there it is. Ahí está. Va a saltar en paracaídas y el avión acrobático va a estar dando vueltas alrededor de él. Ahí está.
Now, ladies and
Ya quebró
gentlemen,
abajo
would
las
you
nubes.
please stand for the playing of the national anthem?
Y aquí va el himno nacional.
Oh, say can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rocket's red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave?
Yeah. Y así es como oficialmente inicia el aeroshow, con la bandera, volando la bandera. Y a partir de aquí ya vamos a empezar a poder ver los aviones. Yep.
Nobody here. That's already 8.
Ladies and gentlemen, high overhead, it's Mr. Rob Holland in what we're going to call our pre-show teaser. After circling the jumpers, here he comes. Spinning, snapping, rolling the aircraft. Here he comes. Snap rolls. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen.
Jesus Christ.
That aircraft is rolling over 500 degrees per second. Rob Holland pulling up on the stick up to 45, rolling the aircraft. And watch this. He tumbles the aircraft across the sky. It looks like it's totally out of control. Tail over nose, nose over tail. Mr. Rob Holland, your 10-time United States aerobatic champion. Right back down on the deck. Here he comes. Pulls back on the stick. Rolls that aircraft. Again, you can see that 500-degree rolling. Pulls back on the stick. Pulls about 3 to 4 G's. Going straight up, straight up, straight up. And then a spiraling tumble. As he gets to the top, watches airspeed leads off. He pulls that tail all the way around. And
Jesus Christ. Flat spin.
Goes down. Absolutely incredible, ladies and gentlemen. Rob back down to the deck, pulls back on the stick in the MXS, right back up in the skies over Naval Air Station Kingsville. A series of quarter rolls, points that nose, and now watch! He snaps the aircraft all the way around and goes into a frisbee. Ladies and gentlemen,
wow,
the only man to do that is Mr. Rob Holland. Pulling away from us to get kind of a 3D look at the MXS. Or H, this aircraft specially designed to Rob Holland's particular taste, and you can see why. He kicks that tail around again. Aircraft goes flat. Look at that. Now watch. You pull up on the nose and hold that aircraft still in the sky. Look at that. The aircraft literally becomes a helicopter at this point. Almost no forward airspeed. If it wasn't for the wind blowing up there, Rob would just be hanging in the sky.
There's the signals, ladies and gentlemen. That bomb burst effect. And there you have it. Now we have 5 black and silver canopies of the Silver Wings. The type of parachute the Silver Wings are using are Ram Air parachutes. Because of their design, when viewed from the side, they closely resemble the aircraft wing. This allows parachute to be extremely maneuverable. It has a 25 miles per hour and a glide ratio of 3 to 1. This means for every 3 feet forward of movement, it is in 1.
Ladies and gentlemen, from the left, here they come. BT-21, BT-22, T-45.
It is
Again, the lead
insane.
pilot, Lieutenant Robert Fat Goose Nelson. His wingman is Lieutenant Michael Samsui Varios. Second flight led by Lieutenant Commander John Redial Colback. And his wingman is Lieutenant Jordan Launchpad Kellett. Again, members of BT-21 and BT-22.
Are they coming back around?
Your hometown heroes.
Yeah.
Isn't it the Blue Angels that do the very cool stunts?
Yeah, they will.
No, but they are the ones that do the very, very cool ones.
Uh-huh.
Like they'll go up like this and then
Invert it. Yeah.
like a flower. Yeah, look how fast they're coming in.
Amazing. Yeah, that's
No, normally, the like if those were like Cessnas, then they would not be able to do that.
exactly.
But it's the military, so they can land on the runway and like that.
Uh-huh.
Aren't they trained to land on the runway
Uh-huh.
like one after another?
The first full-scale development of T-45 first flew on April of 1988. Deliveries were originally planned for 1989, but there was a delay, and the Navy requested. And they were taking this support coming from right here in the local area.
Yep.
The Kingsville Navy League actually joined them as they proudly serve the sailors and Marines of our local sea services attached to Naval Air Station Kingsville. Training A-Wing 2, VT-21, VT-22, Naval Operational Support Center, Huntington, and the crew of the future USS Kingsville. Please join or donate to the Kingsville Navy League today at www.